Just in case you guys missed a community post, JP Morgan Chase ended up boosting its dividend after the stress test. And so we were correct, guys, with our last update on how I called out that we were going to get some pretty good dividend raises on the banks after the stress test. But anyways, JP Morgan Chase will be boosting its dividend by, I guess, up to $1. It's about 11%. From its 90 cents that they were paying. So that is pretty awesome, guys. And the other bank that we do have in the portfolio is Bank of America, which plans to boost its dividend by 17% after clearing the stress test. So they will be paying 21 cents now. So that is pretty exciting, guys. It's awesome holding these awesome companies and getting these dividend raises for doing absolutely nothing. What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 90 of the portfolio update. So first of all, happy 4th of July. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. And yeah, the portfolio is hitting all-time high, guys. So it's $182,073.53. We are breaking new records as well with the dividends from the quarterly payouts. As you guys saw from how much we made for 2020 Q2, we made a total of $744.47 cents. So that is pretty awesome. We're gonna basically start July now, and we're gonna be working on 2021 Q3. This one we are expected for it to go actually down because we did readjust our portfolio and sold some of the AT&T shares. Well, I guess we sold completely out of AT&T, and it did take a hit on our dividends, but we're going to continue to move upwards, and we're going to see this grow and grow. The snowball continues to move upwards every week that we come back. We know that I guess to me, I think my net worth continues to move upwards because we continue to contribute $100, and then our dividends continue to get reinvested, and then that basically generates even more dividends. How awesome is that? But you'll see our cash balance is $30. Actually, somebody did end up signing up with the referral link. I do have it in the video description. If you guys are interested in signing up with M1, you guys can get $30 if you deposit $100 and you sign up with my referral link. It'll help me out because I'll get $30 as well. So we both win. It's an awesome platform that I like. It's super passive for dividends. But yeah, guys, if you do end up signing up, let me know in the comment section. It's pretty awesome. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys the value over time, because we actually did quite a couple moves this past week that you'll be surprised about. And we actually ended up making all-time highs, as you saw that we're at the 182. So I believe last week we were right around 178,000, and then we just started breaking upwards, guys, to 182,000, and we went up almost about about $4,000. That is pretty awesome. But let me show you guys the activities so that you guys can see what I actually did. So I believe that this started on the 28th of June, if I don't include the plus. But yes, all right, so if we go to the very bottom, you'll see that we actually ended up doing 2 buys. And yeah, 2 buys of $39.91. This was actually our reinvested dividends. Lockheed Martin, $34.32, and then Bank of America, $5.59. So remember that we are going to continue to reinvest our dividends back into them, almost like a drip. The next one on the 29th was United Health Group, which paid us a dividend of $5.61. And then we deposited $100. This was actually for M1 Borrow. We're trying to pay off the $2,600 that I have left in the M1 Borrow that we borrowed to buy JP Morgan, which has been giving us some great returns so far. But on the 29th, we actually ended up selling $10,000 of one stock. I'm gonna show you guys that, and then we actually reinvested it into 4 different stocks. So if we click on this, you'll see that I actually sold $10,000 worth of NVIDIA. So if I click on this, you'll see that I ended up selling about 12.6 shares of NVIDIA at around $792. And the reason why I did this is because NVIDIA has been moving way up there, and I just want to take some profits. I've been holding for NVIDIA for over a year now, so I'm definitely going to be in the long-term capital gains and so that is pretty awesome. I went ahead and reinvested that into my utilities sector, which is Duke. So I bought $1,000, well, I guess $1,700 of Duke. I bought $5,000 worth of Apple. I actually want to buy some more Apple. We'll see if I end up selling a little bit more of Nvidia to buy some more Apple. And then we ended up actually buying $1,400 of American Waterworks, and then $1,700 worth of Southern Company. So that was a huge purchase and a huge readjustment of the portfolio. As you saw, that move actually brought our portfolio up even higher as well. This is actually going to boost up our dividends, so I'm really excited to see how much our projections come out. So definitely stick till the very end, because we will kick off these scripts and see how much we will be making per month. So I'm excited to see what happens. But yeah, guys, that is an exciting move there. Then on the 30th, Pepsi paid us a dividend of $5.85, and then Union Pacific paid us $8.56. So you saw that a lot of the dividends is actually wrapped up the month of June, and then we started with one buy of $5.65, which was the reinvestment on United Health Group. And from there, we went actually started strong with July, which we got a dividend from Nvidia of $6.77. And this will actually go down because we sold $10,000 worth of Nvidia. And this is actually a really weird month for Nvidia pay. They usually pay in June, so that was pretty awkward on that part. But we ended up depositing $100 for our dollar cost average into the portfolio, and we went ahead and as well deposited $1,200 to pay off some M1 borrow. But we ended up doing I guess 4 buys, and we ended up buying the $20 of United Health Group because they paid us a dividend. Every time a company pays us a dividend, I will basically add $20 on top of it just to basically boost it, and this will be making my portfolio grow a little bit more aggressive. So Union Pacific, $28.56. This is plus the 20, and then another 20 plus the dividend of Pepsi, and then the remaining $100, the difference, I ended up just buying $40 worth of Clorox. So from here, as you guys can see, somebody did end up signing up with my referral link, so we got $30. Thanks so much for using my referral link. That means a lot to me. Let me know in the comment section if it was you that you signed up, and let me know what you guys will be doing with that $30 that you'll be buying. Well, I guess what company will you be buying? I'll be interested in knowing. And then over here, guys, the last trade for the week, we ended up doing one buy, which we just basically reinvested the Nvidia dividend. So that was pretty awesome. And let me know in the comment section if you guys are pretty sad that the stock market will be closed on Monday. You know, I'm obviously kind of sad because I do sell options, but you know, we're gonna continue to do it towards Tuesday. One of the things I want to show you guys here is holdings. So you'll see that our cost basis has gone up. Now this is because we have actually cashed out on some of our profits. Remember that our portfolio is I really only have about $90,000 worth, I guess $90,000 invested of my own money into the portfolio. Everything else is really capital appreciation and dividends. So that is pretty awesome. So you know, recently that I profited on some of the Nvidia shares, that's why I brought it up. But you'll see that Nvidia, we still have about 29 shares, almost 30 shares. Our cost base is around $139, and we're up about 20,000, almost 500%. If we look at Nvidia, let's see how it's trading right now. You'll see that Nvidia is trading at $819.49. So that is pretty awesome. I'm glad that I took some profits. We don't know what Nvidia might do. It might continue to go upwards, or it might go down. So we'll see. But you'll see that our trades here, if we filter out by highest gains, you'll see Nvidia has just been the one that has returned us the most gains, and these are unrealized gains. Majority of these companies I've already held over a year, so if I was to sell some of them, I would get a long-term capital appreciation. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so that I can actually go ahead and kick off the scripts. So first thing I do want to point out is that I went ahead and made a copy of our latest amount that we've made, so that just we can compare whenever we do make I guess when we kick off the scripts. But first one is, let's go ahead and find out on the latest dividends. Well, not the latest dividends, but dividend payout. So if I scroll down here, let's find out if any new companies have declared any dividends. So if we look at the portfolio tools, get latest dividends, hopefully this works right now. Sometimes it does not work because many people use it, but I do have a tutorial for this if you guys are interested in it. And it looks like it probably will be working. Everything gets wiped and then everything gets picked up from our portfolio to see what companies have declared dividends. So it's running right now, and so far we will be getting a dividend from Altria on the 7th, well, I guess July 9th, and then American Towers on the 9th, Leggett & Platt, the Realty Income, as you guys can see, and then we'll be wrapping up July with JP Morgan on the 31st. So this is pretty exciting, guys. You'll see that all the dividend increases from JP Morgan and Bank of America have not shown up yet, but when they will, we'll see the dividend increases show up in the script. So that is pretty awesome. I do have a tutorial for this. Check it out. It should be in the video description. If not, you can just look up in one of my playlists. I'll have that. But let's go ahead and jump over to the settings, and we're gonna actually clear this. We're gonna jump over to personal capital, and so on my personal capital, I have my M1 account here. You'll see this green button, and basically this copies the content from this table into our clipboard. And again, I do have a tutorial for all of this stuff if you guys are interested, so click on it and click OK. This has it into our clipboard now. We can jump over to the Google Sheets, right click, paste special values only, and let's go ahead and jump over here to holdings. This is basically our portfolio, but we want to update it with the latest trades. This is with Nvidia's being sold out. So you'll see right here, if I actually show you down here, you'll see Nvidia, we still had 42 shares. After we update it, it should grab the latest one, so we should have around 29 shares. So portfolio tools, update portfolio holdings. Also for Apple, 176. So now you see we have 213 shares. If we look at Nvidia, where are you, Nvidia? You'll see right here, 29 shares now. If we look over here at the dashboard, you'll see that we have the new calculation, guys. It's at $2,675.49 compared to $2,480.70. So basically, I just went ahead and readjusted my allocation on my portfolio, which let me actually show you guys here. Portfolios, you'll see that for my utility sector, I was around maybe around $1,000 or so, and after I reinvested everything, we're finally back up. I really need to bump up these, the real estate and communications sector, and I'm really low. I'm really high on tech. So, and just because these plays have just returned me insane gains, guys. But if we go back here, let's find out how much we are going to be averaging on a monthly basis. So in dividends per month, on an average, we should be making around $222.96 compared to $206.72. Remember that our goal is to try to hopefully get to the annual of $3,000 before the end of the year. And for the week, we are making now $51.45 compared to $47.71. And then for the day, we actually went up, guys. That's pretty awesome. $7.33 compared to $6.80. And then hourly, this is pretty awesome. I usually love when we actually increase the hourly. So we're basically making 31 cents every single hour that goes by. Where I guess our portfolio is working for us, and it's making us 31 cents per hour, and compared to the 28 cents that they were getting. And right here, I guess from that move, you'll see that the portfolio was doing a great job, and it actually got a raise. So what this means is that if we were to send our portfolio to work a 40-hour work week, kind of like what I do right now, it would be getting paid at an hourly work rate of $1.29 compared to the $1.19 that we were getting paid previously. So I guess they got a huge raise from that move. But hopefully the goal here is to get it to at least minimum wage, and then from there, we're gonna build that snowball larger and larger and larger. But yeah, guys, I think this is all I have for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and as well, don't forget to support the channel by simply hitting that like button. And if you guys stuck all the way to the very end, be sure to drop your hashtag. Let's see, NVIDIA. Let's just do NVIDIA or NVDA for the ticker, because I did end up selling some of my NVIDIA shares, and then I'll know you guys stuck all the way to the end, and you guys are the MVPs. But anyways, happy 4th of July, and I'll catch you guys in the comment section. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye guys.